my sweet people, today is day 4. Today I decided to take this day to rest and to meditate. You know, we all have hectic days. We get up always in a rush, getting things ready, going to work, or taking care of your wonderful kids, cooking, and doing many things. Um, we sometimes forget about taking care of ourselves. Um, Always remember that it's very important as a woman, if you are a woman that are watching this video, and also a man too, to take care of yourself. That means to dedicate some time to do something that you do, to put your mind in peace, to put your mind in calm. This is going to help you to think more clear, to be more focused and receptive. So it doesn't matter your age. It's very important that you dedicate time for yourself. Dedicate, if you can, 20 minutes of your day just to do something that you enjoy. It could be reading, could be listening to your favorite music, going for a walk, walking your dog, maybe just getting a massage, something that you are connecting with nature, just enjoying the time, listening to the birds like here. So I will show you how I do my meditation. The first thing that you're going to do when you do a meditation, look for a quiet place. I love the backyard because the backyard, I just hear the sounds of the nature, sometimes airplanes, but it's okay. So the first things that you do are you're going to be sitting in a comfortable position. If this is hard for you, you can sit on a chair or you can sit with your back against the wall. You hear an airplane. And then what you're going to do, you just are going to start breathing, and from here, I'm going just to do it and I'm going to walk you through. Set your intention for today. Put your hands in prayer. Inhale deep. Exhale. Feel your body. Inhale deep. Exhale. Just focus on your breathing. Focus on your feelings, how your body is feeling at this moment. Connect with your heart. Listen to your heart beating. If many thoughts are coming to your mind, just let them pass by and keep focusing on just breathing deep and slow. Listen to the sounds around you. Start visualizing a peaceful place that you always want to be. If it's in a beautiful garden, smell the flowers. See the beautiful colors of the flowers. The bright red colors, the bright pink colors of the beautiful flowers. Listen to the birds. Listen to the river. Just keep breathing and enjoy what you see in front of you. Inhale deep, count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. And take a deep breathing. Open your eyes. If you have just 5 minutes of
and
your day,
relax.
start like this, 5 minutes. If you have a busy morning, and then you gradually increase to 20 minutes. Or just try to get up a little bit early and start early. I do this almost every day, and I feel the peace in my heart right away. The day when I don't do meditation, I feel myself a little bit anxious. So that is why I do meditation. So at the end, even I see myself at the mirror and I see that my face is even relaxed. I also, in my meditation time, it's very interesting. The universe just send me answers to things that I was confused or I didn't know what to do. Start practicing meditation, because it's amazing what can the messages that you get from the meditation. And I share one more thing with you. When you put your mind in calm, when this stillness of the mind, is when God whisper to your ear, is when the angels whisper to your ear, or the universe. Doesn't matter what are your beliefs. In that moment, when you are in peace and you are not thinking, is when you get the most amazing answers to your purpose in your life. So just keep doing it, and see you tomorrow with more videos.